Chairman, His Excellency Kaguta, given to us as National Vice for Regions, I want to endorse officially our Mitooma task force for NRM, looking for votes for His Excellency number 1 first, then number 2 parliamentary leaders, number 3 district leaders from LOC 5, councillors up to LOC 1.
Konka tukutuzibira kwerisa. Okay? Ebyo president batabimutaho we bakamuzibira konkite ntuza kwerisa. Tikwe. So, ntuza kwekora mu murimo mbe nagambiye chairman na no mwamikazo na Rebecca na Karitundu. So, mugende mwekore muhati mugende mwekore mu committee. Okay? Ninza kurisa buri muntu wenori. No muntu aruge kutina kurugama yanga unaza kusiba kwe ngunaza kugira ki buri muntu wena gende mukore mwetebekanise naza kuti esikure kibata kupitiriza no kubarisi za venue ntubarisi zo wita arrangement yi twekore momuri wena obana bante mutwari ko mu bana 20 mugende mutebekanise ni percent ya baga aharigana percent ya 40 bakaba baraki tibaba bokusiba mu betorani betonganisa enguta tizibonire nchiti zibonire bayanje kuja kuronda bebembeza bakaba baraki muzaikaje habwa kitakoro muhigo mureke mbara reka twikirizangana itwitwe abo kwa nimwe bakuru bekibina mu ryaho izoba ryakaruru twekore mu muhigo tukwate kitabo twandike buri yo muwija kutera umucanga ki ha LC habo kwati polling station baziciremo kine polling station era arenza abantu rukaba ekimanyisa zeyonjire so waika shaha mushanjo umuntu wo mu cyaro cyo wanyota kamurebire ngwija kutera tugenda tumuhige tumuronde wokusinjisa president kuchira yo nejeje babuzire kutera karuru habwaci ngo aryo mu barari hariya ngo arinzire bamwe kifite mpu nabone kwija kutera kamone ntuza kwiyayo no jano katera kandi nyowe ninza kubayamba ninza kuba facilitatinga kumwe ndakora iki ekindi kirajyo cyo kibintu Timbanya umnyanya Juliet na nyanje. Timbanya umnyanya my brother kaonda na nyanje. Agokuwa. Ekine kintu kibina. Tikintu cyanje nguninza genda ninticipatinga ngunyine choice ngumanya ngunyine nguninsharamu okusharamu nimwe mwashazirimo. So ekimwashazirimo ninteko kuchereza respect. So hati ntuzagaruka twena twekore mu murimo tuhagire omwami omuchara Rebecca tukitereze abokwa buri tikugira ngo kabanye n'enshonga nawe nemwe kureka niwe to kunya kintu cyo kweta ingame bimbande na twaheza twakira omwami Karitundu nawe tumurondera karuru nawe tukamubera
vote konka. The other one is a better thief. He steals you. Nyoman in summer meeting, everybody says, now we are going to steal like this. There is nobody who doesn't plan to steal the other one. Konka the other one. Na wo mushuma, the best. So nimba saba, the issue of ntibanyi ma olgo akakukiza amagezi yakuiva because you are not the best at doing it. So I want to tell you, even in the final elections, if someone cheated, you can cheat you still and win you because it's the best.
Meeting, the pre-entry meeting for the whole Ankole region, I will be passing on either tomorrow, but I will confirm our His Excellency to come in and call it. I'm asking for the great support.